we have a special guest now with us. We have Purnima Agarwal, EdTech Program Lead, ViewSonic, who will be sharing a EdTech perspective with us. We welcome Purnima. Thank you so much for joining us. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Saumikji, for this platform. Purnima Agarwal, representing ViewSonic India. A very warm good afternoon to all the honorable delegates. It has been a great opportunity for me to share this platform with you all, and at the same time to listening you all and the wonderful thoughts you have been sharing about hybrid learning. So, extending on those viewpoints, I'm here to share my perspective and what edtech industry per se is going to be providing in terms of hybrid learning, the kind of hardware and software solutions. So we all know that how fast the edtech industry is moving when it not only it comes to hybrid learning, but overall when it comes to the education scenario worldwide. And we saw that thing taking place, taking in roots in our classrooms, in schools, in colleges, especially during the pandemic period in past 1.5 year. There were a lot of challenges, of course, but the teacher fraternity, the school fraternity, the college fraternity have done a marvelous job when it comes to taking online classes and making sure that there is not much gap in terms of learning for the students who are not able to attend the physical classrooms. So while we talk about the hybrid learning here, we understand that the vision was even the remotest, a child sitting in the remotest corners of India is getting the education, is getting the degrees, getting the complete education. And this vision, its fulfillment, its root started with IGNOU, and we find its further propagation in the form of NPTEL videos or the a lot of online content which is available. But at the same time, when we talk about hybrid learning, it's not only limited to taking technology in the classrooms. This is something going beyond the classroom and bridging this gap where a student sitting in the classroom, physical classroom, as well as a student sitting or attending their classrooms offline, they both of them are getting the equal amount of education, they're getting the equal opportunity. So that's the idea behind hybrid learning which we envision about it. So going forward, the kind of future which is going to be there, it's definitely going to be the hybrid learning, the blended learning approach, where definitely there will be a blend of both, a best of both worlds of the traditional ways or the traditional methods of classroom teaching, as well as the best of the education technology out there, so that this gap is almost bridged between the when we talk about this divide between the students who are not able to attend the physical classrooms and the ones who are able to attend. So about this only, in the hybrid learning atmosphere, what we are talking about, we understand that when we talk about the government's intervention and national education policy, which clearly specifies the kind of environment which should be there, and when we focus on the kind of learning outcomes which are there in the standard for when we talk about the standard 6 to 12th, we talk about the learning outcomes of among the students. We have to see that apart from the learning outcomes, there is a dropout rate, school dropout rate, which is quite high, especially among the females. So when I envision that how hybrid learning model is going to be helpful for me or for the future generation, I see, especially for the country, for our country, this hybrid model can be a successful intervention to reduce the school dropout rates. So that is where this kind of model needs implementation in terms of the technology, in terms of the infrastructure, in terms of enablement. Whether we talk about teacher training programs, for that we talk about the kind of hardware and software support we'll be providing for that. So when we have the proper enabling environment, the system, of course, this kind of system can help reduce the dropout rates as well in the school, and also it can help us reduce the number of the learning outcome gaps among the students. And ViewSonic India is particularly aligned with this kind of vision, with the kind of the seamless experience we provide in terms of our hardware and software solutions, especially when we talk about, there are a lot of challenges when it comes to establishing hybrid campuses. So the ViewSonic India has definitely come up with a lot of products like My Viewboard. It's a digital whiteboard, which takes care, which is completely free of cost right now, and of course it takes care of the limitations, especially the region, the network bandwidth issues, and whether the teachers are able to spend much time in recording videos and showing that kind of content. So those kinds of limitations in terms of time, in terms of content, are specifically reduced with the kind of well integrated solutions we have to provide. So I mean, that is where we see the future, that we as industry players in edtech, how we can actually help in providing a wholesome hybrid learning classroom experience. For example, we do have hybrid learning classrooms there in Delhi Experience Center, and currently most of the schools are also taking lead in that. So this is what I really wanted to talk about, that with the array of products and with the right kind of enabling environment and the system, definitely the vision which my delegates were talking about, how we can ensure that in the future, that as and when the technology is improving, especially in the education system, how hybrid learning can definitely be a game changer when it comes to reaching out to the farthest of the, or the last mile child there in the country. So that's all from my side. With that note, I'll take a leave from here. Thank you so much for providing this platform, and I really look forward to see more and more development happening in hybrid learning spaces when it comes to India's education scenario. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Purnima Agarwal, EdTech Program Lead, ViewSonic. And you talked about the hybrid learning ecosystem where we actually provide the wholesome experience of the overall hybrid learning ecosystem, so that the reaps of education actually reaches to the last mile. Thank you so much, Purnima, for sharing your thoughts with us.